Hello everyone. Let's check out the Dynamic Approval All-in-One Odoo app, a handy tool to create and custom approval flow for any model. You can set up and multi-level approvals, choose who can approve based on the amount and access, and track everything in the chat. It is a simple way to manage approval across your system. Now, after installing our module, let's give an access for the dynamic approval. For that, we need to get into the settings. Under user, we can see there are two users. So for a Mitchell admin, you can see we have given an access as a manager. Now, user can give and manager access also and user access based on the access level you want to provide to the user. Now for this Mitchell admin, I have given a manager, and for the demo, we have provided end user. Okay. Now after giving an access, here you can see a dynamic approval. Now in this, let's create a new one. So from here we can give a model, and we can select a field which you want to compare with a minimum amount for approval, like button to hide, where you can see an option to hide a button before a manager approver to restrict the action. And in this you can add and approval details. Now this is the one which we have created for a sales model, and where we have added the field, and here in this you can see a button to hide, and in this you can see an execution, and also for the company where we have given an approval details, like for a group sales administrator, they can approve if a minimum amount will be 100. Okay, now let's check. So for that, let's log in as a demo user. Now you can see we are in a demo user login. Let's create in sales. So from here, let's add an customer, and in this we need to add a product. So after adding the product, let's set a price of the product will comes to 100. So it will be waiting for an approval now. So let's submit, and from here you can see the approval option. If you click on that, you can see that it will be only access for sales administrator. We are a sales user, so we couldn't able to approve it. And in this you couldn't able to see any confirmation option which is available here. And we're getting into the dynamic level, where you can see all the details over here for the normal user, as we have given user access to the demo user. Let's log in as the administrator now. Now we are in the admin login. Let's get into the sales. So from here, let's remove the filter, where you can see the one which we have created and which is waiting for an approval. Now here you can see an approve option to approve it. So in case if you need to reject, you can make use of this option to reject. You can see an chatter over here which shows when it will be reject and from which person and the time. Now we can resubmit it. So once we have approved, you can see the status will be changed to an approved state, and it will be automatically change a state to the quotation to sale order, where it will automatically created a delivery. So where we can approve it and we can create an invoice for the same sales. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more audio related updates. Thanks for watching.